Happy Saturday? Yeah, I think it's Saturday. Saturday, right? Yeah. Okay, happy Saturday. So today we're going to take the DLR and go explore Canary Wharf, just explore a different part of London than what we've done in the past. So it should be fun going outside, and the weather's really nice. It's been really good all week, so hopefully it stays nice and sunny and pretty outside, and we get to enjoy just walking around and having a little wander about. So yeah, here we go.
This is Reese.
Watch the flames come apart into the night, calling out for somebody. Watch the flames.
Alright, so we're back from Canary Wharf, and it was really nice and really kind of unique because you would have all these big banks and business buildings on top, but then you would go underground and it would be all these shops and malls, and it was really cool and really unique. And then there were these parks and fountains, and it was just a really nice area, and it was really cool, and I want to go back and get a drink. We didn't get to explore all of the Canary Wharf area. We stayed closer to 1 Canada Square. Yeah, 1 Canada Square, and which was at one point the biggest building in the UK. So that was really cool, and it was really interesting. But when the weather turned and got all cold and wet and cold, we decided to come back home. But up until then, it was really good and interesting and a very different area than anywhere I've been in London yet. So it was really unique. But yeah, it was fun. So that's this week's postcard. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's probably a little bit short, but blame the weather. But yeah, I will talk to you next time. I will see you next time on another Cattywampus postcard. Bye!